Yeah. Start, my friend.
Oh. Daddy, you are the leader. You are the father. You're supposed to go first.
The younger person starts.
Okay. So, hi guys. My name is Wande. I'm a content creator and also the founder of Nebula Supply. Miss my father. Why are you making me? Just introduce yourself.
Why father? You say father.
Miss my
father, not father.
Miss my dad. Miss my dad.
Don't introduce me. I'll introduce myself.
Okay.
My name is Tolu Adebiyi. I'm his dad.
And I'm his boss.
I am a baker, a confectioner, and I guide him through his business.
I'm his boss. I'm his boss. For those of you guys that know me, you guys know I like money. And I think he also likes money like that.
You like money more than I do.
No, I don't disagree with that. That's why I'm your boss. Because the urge to make money made me think of
simply because I allow you to be a boss.
I'm your boss, I'm not a boss.
I'm guiding you through the process of making money. Okay.
You know me, I like making money because like I spend a lot. To be honest, I don't know how to save. You're not supposed to agree so willingly. You're supposed to be like, oh no, one day you don't.
You are a spendthrift,
No, yeah, I'm a spendthrift. That's why I like making money. Do you get what I'm saying?
For me, one day I like money too.
Yeah.
But the truth of the matter is that, you know, I'm much older, I'm more experienced, I've seen things. So I am more. How do I put it now? I'm more careful spending money.
Yeah.
I don't spend what I have if I'm not sure that a replacement is coming from somewhere.
Yeah, but you know what I think? I think that I'd rather spend the money I have, because what if I save all the money and then tomorrow I'm not here again?
So what happens?
You will not be helping me spend my money, or somebody helping me spend my money.
You spend all the money and tomorrow you are here and you don't make more money.
The way I made that first one, I'll make it again.
It doesn't always work.
You see how the ideology works?
It does not always.
It will work like that for me.
Amen.
So guys, today we're going to be answering you guys questions about money. We're going to go through the questions that you guys have asked and just pick as random and answer your questions as best as we can. So let's go. First question. Let me just scroll. Between the two of you, who is more likely to borrow money and forget to pay back?
That's me.
I was never going to answer myself.
That's me actually.
Yeah, it takes him days to pay back.
Not days. It's not because I don't want to pay back. I might just forget.
Why don't you know? When I tell you, today is the day you're supposed to pay back. Why don't you just pay back immediately? I tell you to pay.
No, because if I don't have it at that time, then I don't pay.
But you need to change. You need to change. You need to change.
Change from where to where?
Change your behavior. You have a bad behavior.
I don't know why you're stressing this. Just move on, my friend.
I'll move on. I'll move on. Like relax.
You're wasting time.
Oh yeah, I want you to be the one that will pick the next question. Okay. Wait.
All right, okay.
Let your hand just stop on one. Stop.
Why you stop?
Yeah, read it.
If we check your bank versus dad's wallet right now, who would have more savings?
Like, see, to be honest.
Answer the question, my friend. Answer. I will know
in my defense, it only makes sense you have more money than me.
Answer the question.
He has more money than me.
Don't forget that you're my boss. Have you forgotten? You're my boss. Don't forget. Go ahead.
So this question is for you. Does Wande know the meaning of insurance?
No. Don't even give me that look. You don't know. One day you don't know. Just admit it, and so that I can tutor you.
Oh, yeah.
The same way I'm tutoring you in business.
Okay. What's the meaning of insurance?
Now, insurance is guiding against future occurrence. It's an investment that you do to guide against future occurrence.
I knew that.
Why didn't you say it?
You didn't, because you didn't ask me that. Do you understand? Like, why would I answer a question that they did not ask me?
Madandofo, that's what it's called in Yoruba.
Madandofo. Next question. You are swiping too much.
Okay, don't put your hand
in my phone.
I have a smartphone. What do you mean? Keep quiet.
You don't have an iPhone,
Shh. I don't care. I have a smartphone. Okay, okay, great. You're about the same age. I'm 24.
I'm a teenager. What do you mean? I'm a teenager. Who told you? No. Keep quiet. Listen. That's a youth.
Listen.
Okay, I'm listening.
I'm 24. Should people my age actually think about insurance? Or is it just a when you are older thing?
I think from when you're like 18, when you start making money, I feel like you start thinking about insurance. It really helps you. And in the event of, like, let's say you pass during that time, that money is not gone, no.
Before that time.
Like before maturity, that money is not gone. You go to your beneficiary, like, you get what I'm saying. So I actually believe in that.
Next question, go ahead.
Okay, so next question. How do you know when you're ready to start planning your future? Good question.
Your future? That's a very interesting one.
Good question.
You start planning your future the moment you probably leave high school. Even from high school.
High school?
Yeah, that's right. And I'll tell you why. Once a child is ready for high school and is there at 9.
High school in school.
You know?
Yeah.
Whatever. and is there at 9, then such a child must be encouraged to start thinking about the future.
Yeah, you're not wrong. Okay, so let's go to the next question. I'm asking, let me ask.
Why?
Oh, yeah, ask. Ah, damn.
What exactly are we protecting when most of us are still trying to build something in this economy?
Yeah, I said, answer. No, you have sense, but I want you to answer the question and I'll say after you because you always listen to the older one first.
You want to wait for me to lead you so you can...
That just answer, man. Damn.
The truth of the matter is this. We've gone through different stages in life.
Yeah.
Okay? Different stages in life. And there has always been a tomorrow. Those who fail to plan for tomorrow,
yeah,
thinking that today is all that matters,
yeah,
end up on the streets when the tomorrow actually comes.
Yeah.
So the more reason why you should save now is because you are unsure of tomorrow.
To be honest, me, I don't really feel like I need to think about tomorrow because that savings that you had in your account, like, I'll take from it later in the future. Do you get? But for people that don't have that,
hang on. Let me tell you. It is true that you can have access to the money in my savings account.
I will have access as the next of kin. I will have access. Not I can. I will have access. And don't yimu.
You can.
Don't yimu.
You can have.
Don't
access.
Yimu.
But let me tell you, it is the access to what I have is easier with my insurance. The trigger for the insurance payment is upon death.
Okay.
This is the person that should receive it.
That's
a trigger.
So your savings one, I can't. It's not just.
I mean, for instance, if you have to first provide my will.
But to be honest, like if you think about in the heat of the moment for people that are currently like struggling, why should they consider tomorrow when like they are really trying to find what to even eat today?
It must be in their psyche, because there are people who today were not rich.
Okay.
And somehow fate smiled on them.
Yeah.
And they had income. If you don't put it in mind now, when that income comes, you will just filter it away.
You are not wrong. Okay, I agree with that.
So that's the way.
Are you speaking wisdom today? You're petty, man. You're petty, Wale. Okay, so next question. I've heard of life insurance, but I honestly don't understand how it works. Is it even worth it?
I would say a big fat yes to that.
Yeah.
Because it's a savings that is different from regular bank savings.
Mm-hmm.
Do you understand?
Mm-hmm.
You have a target savings. Okay, you want to do a life insurance over a period of X number of years.
Yeah.
And you look at your premium. This is what you pay annually, or this is what you want to be paying monthly. You know.
And you push. See that premium. You better break it down into smaller English because even I don't even understand what you just.
Savings.
Okay.
That's savings. You know. You pay it. You know, into the account, and God forbid anything happens midway. Mm-hmm. Get your full money back.
But it's not just for like in case of like not passing away or when you.
Yes, no, you target savings towards wedding, towards your children's school fees.
You can literally save towards that from like a young age. Most people marry when they're like 30 or 32. You are already saving since like you're 20. You're saving for 10 years. When you get there, when you get to that age, you get your money and then you use it for that kind of thing. So,
as a matter of fact, to the person who asked this question, Prudential
Zenith Life Insurance,
he's already also reading this.
Just send him a DM. So next question.
Yeah, it's me now.
Okay. And just
why is it so hard to talk about money, death, or the future with our parents?
I'll speak for my own self because it's reality. Everything is scary about reality. At least my biggest fear is losing someone I love. To speak to my friends about their possible death, even though I know it's going to happen at the end of the day.
Wande,
do you get?
The problem with this is about being African. Africans don't like talking about death.
I don't think just Africa. I think anybody do.
No, Africans in particular don't like talking about death. They look at it as, it's like we are wishing me evil. But it's not evil.
That's true, yeah.
No, it's not
you'd be like, God forbid.
No, exactly.
God forbid. Yeah, I mean, yeah, God forbid too.
We must talk about these things because we know that it's an inevitable end. Very inevitable.
Yeah. And about money, like, do you really want to speak to your parents about money? I mean, from a parent's point of view, why don't you like speaking to your children about money?
I mean, we never used to want to discuss money matters with children.
With us,
but you see, the way it is now, with access to the internet.
Yeah, there's a lot of information right now out there, and you just don't know which one is correct.
Exactly.
It's always, so I think it's always like best, guys. Your parents are around, or like an older trusted person is around. Ask them; they will give you the correct one, rather than like getting information online that you don't really know what source is from.
And the fact of the matter is that if you don't have anybody that you feel is trusted enough for you to talk about this thing to,
Prudential Zenith life insurance.
Come to Prudential Zenith life insurance. They will give you that.
Yeah, like I said, any question. I literally mean any question, bro, that you have, just ask them. So, next question.
What is wrong with you? Stop tapping me. No, you ask I ask the question. You ask the next one.
Okay. What's the difference between planning ahead and just being overly cautious?
Planning ahead is more deliberate. You plan ahead based on current situation. Being overly cautious is a little bit more reckless. Like what I told you about spending money.
Yeah.
I don't know where the next one will come from.
Yeah.
That is not planning ahead.
Okay.
That's being overly cautious.
Yeah. Okay.
That's being overly cautious. But planning ahead is strategic. This is how much I'm earning today. I project that by tomorrow I should be able to earn additional, or maybe continue to earn the same amount of money.
Yeah.
So but that is based on that, you not plan for the future.
Yeah. So plan ahead is basically intentional.
Even being overly cautious is intentional. Overly cautious is being, you could be myopic.
You also embarrass me. I don't know what you mean by myopic. I said this. Don't laugh at me.
Don't worry.
I said I don't.
Don't worry.
What's the meaning of myopic?
I'll teach you.
First of all, don't say are you sure? I already said this.
It's tunnel vision.
Okay.
Looking in one direction.
Okay. You should be thinking of like in a V shape. Yeah, I get what you're saying. Okay, so guys, we don't have that much time. So we'll just pick like 2 more questions, and I'll make him pick one, and I'll pick one.
Make me pick one, I'll pick one. You can't make me pick one. I'll pick one. You pick one.
It's the same English.
I will pick one, you pick the other.
You see, there's so much.
I will pick one, you will pick the other.
Madam, pick one.
I'm not madam. Talk to me nicely.
Okay, Daddy, please pick one. Drama king.
What's one thing you, Wande, spend money on that I just don't understand? The way you spend money on clothes that don't make sense, the kind of clothes you cannot wear to a wedding. Wande will spend hundreds of thousands buying. It doesn't make sense to me, frankly speaking.
Where did I was $100,000 from?
The kind of money you just take a little pump on up like that and save the money. Take it to Prudential Zenith life insurance. You are wasting everything buying clothes.
See, touche. That's what I say. Touche. Like take. No, actually shake me now. Yeah. Please.
No.
Please shake
no.
me.
Kibole.
Oh my life. Next question, I beg. The last one, not the next one. The last question. Okay. If you had to insure one thing in your house, apart from people, what would it be? The TV, car, or mommy's cooking pot?
The car, of course.
Insure the car?
Yeah.
The cars are expensive, to be honest.
The car.
Should I say something? Yeah. Let's be honest. These days, when you insure your vehicle, you insure it, you go on the road, you bash somebody's car. Those insurance companies don't really cover.
Don't say that. They cover. Our problem in Nigeria is that you never make an attempt to make a claim. So Wande, having said all of that, I've made mistakes in the past.
I don't know, but
Wande, the mistakes I've made in the past.
Okay, yeah.
I don't want you to make the same type of mistakes.
Mm-hmm.
But it's very important that you make a determined, purposeful plan for the future. Watching this now, this is enough stimulant for you to be able to say, okay, now is the time for me to plan for the future.
Yeah.
And for those whose questions we were unable to take, you can actually post those questions. Prudential Zenith Life Insurance is here.
Their DMs.
They will take your questions and they will answer your questions.
And they really have like a provision for any type of life insurance that you're trying to. If you're trying to
very open.
But if you're trying to do life insurance for your marriage, your future marriage, your education, your parents, your children that are unborn, they are investors or anything, like send them a message on Instagram, go to their TikTok, just ask them questions and then they will guide you. Trust me, I'm telling you, they will guide you. If you don't want to do your real page, go with your burner account. I'm sure most of you guys have. Well done. You tried. I didn't know, I knew you were smart, but
one day you admitted on camera.
Today you drank honey. So honey made you smart today.
You admitted on camera that I'm actually smart.
Today, relax.